US now definitely in the red zone, yen in the green zone. I would like to be short here. Nice structure coming in here right at the 50% level. So if I can get a retest there and then a nice strong candle reversal. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 7 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long the yen, the Swiss and the New Zealand dollar, and short in the pound, the Aussie and the US dollar. If you look at the dollar index, now bouncing off strongly off the support level here, trying to retest, which would be crazy nice, because once I get a retest here and then a strong candle reversal, that will give us a clear indication that we saw the break, we saw a level being retested, and then keeps coming down, because I'm looking for nice big dollar moves like this and like this. I don't want to get caught in sideways ranges like this. That makes directional trading very, very difficult. So if I can get a reversal, remember now we saw the underside tested of the moving averages of that level. We got the confirmations, the retest, and then strong confirmations. So that's good confirmation for shorts on the dollar. Another retest and the reversal could mean another run down the page for the next week or so. And that's always very, very nice. I can see even on the intraday indicator now, dollar is turned into the red zone, which makes this bearish on intraday, bearish on short term, medium term, and long term. So I am comfortable being short in the dollar everywhere. This will help gold. So gold, I've got a little bit of a divergence set up this morning I'm looking for. The exact strategy I cannot explain here. I do that on my membership. However, if you can see, not this candle, the very next candle, this is a secondary entry. Another white candle after this one. And we can see that the stochastic on that candle is pointing up sharply. That's a very nice divergence setup for a long on gold. So that's something I will do. We are doing this most likely on our mentoring program also at lunchtime today. So other than that, dailies gold at a deep retracement, which doesn't make me excited about the daily long-term positions, but on an intraday basis, I can definitely see some potential trade coming up. So the stop there would be roughly $20 to $25. So if we can get a nice run of about $50 up to those highs, we can get some targets there. But I'll set targets on tomorrow morning's video once I get an entry. Then Bitcoin, strong bounce off the support levels yesterday. Well, we had the bounce already, and then yesterday just not far enough to convince me that it's a continuation. Right. Turning bearish there, we'll see. We got the rising trend line, which is the worrisome part, because we could just be testing the underside of the moving average now and then then fall over from there. That could give us another leg down the page, which will not emotionally be very nice. So I can't buy anything. I just did my normal dollar averaging monthly purchases. Lucky for me down here, no skill, no nothing, just pure luck. I was just busy last week, otherwise I bought up there. I just got in there, but it's not a big position. It's just my normal monthly allocation to cryptos. Other than that, not as convincing enough reversal. I would love to see a close back above 60. If I get a close back above 60, then I'll be comfortable. But this rising trend line is now the thing we have to fight. If we can close well above the rising trend line, well above the 60 levels, I'll be comfortable again. Then I'll just wait for that to turn red. But for now, bear trend, break, could be a retest, another leg down the page, could potentially happen. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. We look at the US yen. US now definitely in the red zone, yen in the green zone. I would like to be short here. Nice structure coming in here right at the 50% level. So if I can get a retest there and then a nice strong candle reversal, that'll get me to go short. We will also then at that stage build a nice flag setup like this. If I can get this to retest, you can see there and there. If I can get this nice flag setup, that means I will then at that stage be able to take a trade on the reversal, but then also be able to add on the breakout down here. So I'm after both trades. With the RS like this, dollar green, dollar red zone and yen green zone, I definitely want to be short here, and I've got two options here. Brent oil, same as yesterday still, retracement back to the 50-61% level, right the structure coming in there. I can even move this now to that structure level there and say, all right, you know what, if it tests that level again, I'll be interested in selling short. But I'm going to need quite strong counter reversal there before I'll consider short. Personally, I don't do shorts on commodities. Then the pound CAD. Pound red zone completely. CAD neutral, so not after that. I need to be short in the pound, and if I get a retracement back there and a nice strong counter reversal, that'll give me the opportunity to short pound. I won't chase it down here. Structure there right at 50% of the Fibonacci level. If I get a strong counter reversal there, I'll definitely consider some shorts. And also the pound yen. Pound red zone, yen green zone. I mean, if you look at the yen, it's got all the sparkle, and pound is bottom of the pile. So I definitely want to be short here, and a similar scenario as the US yen. I can also, if I draw this in here like this, by the time it retest up there, I could sit with a very nice flag pattern scenario. But I first need the retest. Strong counter reversal. I'll consider some shorts. That'll put a potential confirmation on the flag pattern, and then the breakout could be another adding opportunity on that trade. But for now, my eye is on that retracement to structure there, right between 50 and 61%. That's my first entry. Then the Euro US. Big swing up the page, euro neutral, but dollar's turning red. I want to be short dollar, and going long here will give me that opportunity. Confirmed here, structure here right at 50%. You can see also in the history some support coming in there, but I'm focused on this level here. So if I can get a retest here now, and then a solid counter reversal, then I'll definitely consider some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.